Today, India is one of the fastest growing major economies of the world. The Indian capital market has supported and complemented the growth of the economy at every step. Powered by cutting-edge technology, the Indian capital market provides a strong market infrastructure, world-class investor services and a safe and vibrant market for investors. Over the last decade, the number of mutual fund investors has grown fourfold. And so has our total market capitalization. Today, Indian securities market is the fifth largest stock market with over 300 trillion rupees market capitalization, more than 10 crore investors and almost 10 crore daily trades. Our markets offer a bouquet of investment products, with over 5,400 listed companies, over 8,400 listed bonds and over 1,400 mutual fund schemes. We are also setting world standards in the market through implementation of T+1 settlement, online KYC and application supported by blocked amount in primary and secondary market. With digital access and 99% PIN code coverage, Indian capital market is within easy reach of citizens across the country and is a key driver of financial inclusion. As the nation marches forward to meet the aspirations of its citizens in the Amrit Kal, the Indian capital market is deeply committed to be a steadfast partner in its growth story.
This annual report of the Securities and Exchange Board of India, SEBI, presents a review of its policies and programs, its working and operations during the financial year 2001 to 2002. The report also gives an account of the operations of the SEBI and describes the manner in which it has been discharging its functions and exercising powers in terms of the Securities and Exchange Board of India Act 1992, the Securities Contracts Regulation Act 1956, the Depositories Act 1996, as well as in terms of the delegated powers under the Companies Act 1956. The report also provides details of the developments in Indian securities market during 2001 to 2002 and their bearing on and relation with the work of the SEBI. The report has been prepared in accordance with the format prescribed in the Securities and Exchange Board of India Annual Report Rules 1994, notified in the Official Gazette on April 7, 1994. The SEBI operates within the legal framework of the SEBI Act 1992. The statutory objectives of the SEBI enshrined in the SEBI Act are fourfold: protection of investors' interests in securities, promotion of the development of the securities market, regulation of the securities market and matters connected therewith and incidental thereto. In keeping with these statutory objectives, the SEBI has set for itself strategic aims for each of the four key spheres which encompass SEBI's activities in relation to the investors, issuers, intermediaries, and the regulatory regime. To the investors, the SEBI strives to assure that their rights are protected, they are enabled to make informed choices and decisions, and a market which is fair in the financial dealings. To the issuers, the SEBI strives to provide a transparent and efficient market where they are enabled to raise resources at low cost, but conduct themselves in accordance with the highest standards of corporate governance, and that they are conscious of and meet their regulatory obligations. To the intermediaries, the SEBI strives to render a market in which they can compete freely and operate in a manner which gives the investors and market participants the confidence that the market is efficient, orderly, and fair. In the regulatory regime, the SEBI seeks to ensure that it always remains appropriate, proportionate, and effective, in which all stakeholders have the confidence. With these strategic aims in view, the SEBI has been constantly reviewing and reappraising existing policies and programs, formulating new policies and regulations to nurture areas hitherto unregulated, inadequately regulated, and to implement them in a manner to promote the growth of the market with transparency, fairness, efficiency, and integrity.